Here's the thing. Just fucking rip this shit open. Hey Rosie, how you doing, man? I've had reds before. King Europe. I have reds on my K70, which I'm sending into RMA because I can actually show you. Give me a sec. Once I'm done opening this side. Here. I'll put the box on for a sec. So, here's my K70. As you can see by the K key, the minus key over here, and the page up key, I have dead LEDs. So, that kind of sucks. That's why I'm sending in RMA. What a surprise, right? That's what I'm saying. How the fuck do you do reflexive typing again on this? I forget. I totally forgot how to do reactive typing on this thing. Is it? I thought it was left control. Maybe not. Hold on, let me Google it. Because I fucking saw this earlier today. Oh, did I actually do it? Without even realizing? Nice. Good stuff. So yeah, here's what they look like reflexive typing. As you can see, nothing. 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 All three are dead. So I'm gonna get replaced. Alright. Let's put that back up here. Hey Vortex, how are you? Yeah, the Mias is really dim. It's pretty much about to die. Got some plastic here. Throw it in the trash. I would if I didn't get an arm made, but I did, so. Here's the keyboard. And here is the keycaps. PBT double shot keycaps for Cherry MX keyboard. However, this is a problem. Give me a sec. So on my Amazon purchase, if I can get back to it, as you can see, with this order, it says no anti-biosis coating. And yet, what do we see here? Anti-biosis technology. Why? God, why? It's not dead. It's just I'm replacing it with the RMA. Antibiosis makes it a little bit stickier, is what I've heard. If I need to wash these keys, I will, honestly. Alright, so everything seems okay here. I was a little bit out of place, but I can fix that pretty easily. Alright, let's just put these to the side for now and open the actual keyboard. Hello? Please get in the fucking slot, thanks. Alright, time to open actual keyboard now. That's actually sunset keys, Rusty. So there's a box inside of a box. Micro USB. Same thing. It's hard to like figure out where the fuck the cam is. There we go. Or micro USB. I have very little room to the side of me, so I'm basically just tossing things on top of one another right now. You can already tell it's pretty loud, even without me even taking out the styrofoam thing. Oh man, it's gonna be clicky as a motherfucker, I can already tell. Yeah, these are blues. Alright. So I think the, whenever I bought this, it was off Amazon warehouse deals, and they said that there's certain damage at the front of the product. I think certain damage is the fucking spacebar LEDs. Because I haven't seen these things blink at all. And I've been programming shit. Yes, it does have delete. That is a FN backspace. I also don't use delete at all. So, but yeah, you can actually see. I'll show you like one of the keys here. So I took off this H. If I can learn how to H. Okay, so on the side it says home. That's the home key. So FNH would be the home key. It is pretty tiny, yeah. Hi, Jew Llama, how are you? Hello? Get on the fucking key, please. Thanks. I did, yeah. For the most part. Oh, actually, it was F-Rs and 5s, really. 5s has the exact same keyboard. And F-Rs convinced me it's a pretty good keyboard, so I got it. Figured I might as well. What's up, Gideon? Yeah, I figured that was you because, like, whenever I went to go look at your name on mobile Discord, it shows you as Llama. But then, like, whenever I'm on desktop, it shows whatever name you have on Discord properly. Alright.